Hi everyone, welcome to ITeePK. If you are a YouTube creator, you know how important it is to have quick access to your channel's unique identifiers. Today we are diving into simple yet essential tasks: finding your YouTube channel ID or finding your YouTube user ID. Whether you are setting up integration, managing your account, or just curious, knowing your channel ID can be incredibly useful. So let's get started. Make sure you have all information you need at your fingertips. Before proceeding, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell icon for more helpful tips and tutorial. So let's dive in. I am on youtube.com and let's go ahead and sign in with my email that is associated with YouTube channel. Let me enter the email and then let me enter the password. So it's asking me to verify two-factor authentication. Make sure you always have two-factor authentication on your account to make them secure. Okay. Once you're logged in with your email ID that is associated with your channel, click on your channel icon above and scroll down to the settings. Click on settings and in the settings, please go to view advanced settings. In view advanced settings, you will find user ID as well as your channel ID here. And there you have it. You have successfully found and copied your YouTube channel ID, and it's a simple process. But having this information can be incredibly useful for managing your channel and setting up integrations. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to ITeePK for more tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or topics you would like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.